Max Born played a pivotal role in the development of quantum theory, particularly with his groundbreaking work on the probabilistic interpretation of quantum mechanics. His insights helped shape the way we understand the behavior of particles at the quantum level and laid the foundation for much of modern physics. Max Born's key contribution. 1. The probabilistic interpretation. Born introduced a revolutionary idea by interpreting Schrödinger's wave function psi in terms of probability. While Schrödinger initially thought the wave function represented the physical location of a particle, Born proposed that it actually represents the probability of finding a particle in a particular location. Specifically, Born suggested that the square of the wave function psi gives the probability of a particle being at a certain place at a given time. This interpretation shifted quantum mechanics away from deterministic predictions and embraced a probabilistic nature. In essence, you can't predict exactly where a particle will be, but you can calculate where it's most likely to be. This was a huge leap in understanding the quantum world. 2. Developing matrix mechanics. Born also contributed to the development of matrix mechanics, working closely with Werner Heisenberg and Pascual Jordan. Together, they laid the groundwork for one of the earliest formulations of quantum mechanics. Born's mathematical expertise helped solidify the framework of matrix mechanics, which became one of the two main approaches to quantum mechanics, alongside Schrödinger's wave mechanics. 3. A teacher of giants. In addition to his contributions as a physicist, Born was also a great teacher. Some of the most influential physicists of the 20th century, including Werner Heisenberg, Wolfgang Pauli, and Enrico Fermi, were among his students. Through his teaching, Born shaped the future of physics by mentoring the very scientists who would go on to make groundbreaking discoveries in their own right. Born's role in quantum theory. Max Born's most significant impact on quantum theory was his introduction of the probabilistic interpretation of quantum mechanics. By shifting the focus from deterministic outcomes to probabilities, he moved physics beyond the classical Newtonian view and into a new era of quantum understanding. His idea that we can only calculate the likelihood of a particle's location or momentum, rather than determine it exactly, became one of the cornerstones of quantum mechanics. Conclusion. Max Born's contributions fundamentally changed the way we understand quantum mechanics. His probabilistic interpretation allowed quantum theory to be more than just a mathematical framework. It became a powerful tool for explaining the natural world in a new and meaningful way. Thanks to Born's work, quantum theory evolved into a fully realized theory, capable of describing the strange and often unpredictable behavior of particles at the smallest scales.